Hello. Tired of doing dishes? Me too. We're going to make some chocolate milk out of Nesquik using a red Solo cup because it don't need to be washed, and some milk. Add Nesquik. 2 scoops because we need to be able to know we got some chocolate in there, right? Here's the trick to not do dishes. You put in a splash of milk. And then carefully, you swirl it around. Swirl it real nice. Get it all mixed up. So you can't do this if it's too full. This is going to save you from washing a spoon or a butter knife or whatever you guys are using. Alright, got it mixed up. Top it off with milk. Put it in and don't mess around. It mixes itself as you top her off. Enjoy.